Papa hopeless. As someone ba obi e can be. You have the right. So watching. But don't try to threat me.
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice writer on Ghana SMTVGH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. There is, when we were young, I'm a little bit old, so please don't look at my face. I'm very old. When we were younger, whenever something is happening, or let's say a group of people are bullying you, and they are together, and you know you cannot do anything, you allow them to bully you or beat you. But you always pray, say, whilst they are done bullying you, you look out for the one who is the weakest among them. And you always pray to God that one day you will meet that very person one-on-one. I know a lot of people can identify with that. Because Shasandi Panu one-on-one, then you also beat that person. That is what is going on between Agraada and Hopeson Adorye right now. When him say, Agraada went in for some dollars, and then some dollars Obia Kanaji. Right? Obia Kanaji. Now, Obia on him Agraada Biano will realize, say, no, it has really affected her. I understand. I say, the whole country. I said, no crano, and yes, I made a fintio. But, send Nakoya Agraada, no. No crantina, Obia Jano. If you are Agraada, you feel some level of, I don't know what time is that. When we say, oh, maybe in the past, no, my year one or two things, but I'm trying to be a new person. I'm trying to amend my ways. So that is going on. So I say, in the commentaries, you know, Hopeson so akokebi. Right? Hopeson so I granted an interview now akokebi. And I hope so crowd or see. Yen jai samije fina obana Agraada no. Ono na say yen nyina yefa ye nibre koni so. It hopes to carry ye hopes ko ka say say mama no Agraada no. It's mama part, reverend daughter mama part. So your ba onu mama no onbo onu Hopeson ndi. Na anasa onbo ni redin.
Mr. Hopeless, aka Metal Wheelchair. Papa, we a coward. What about threaten me? Send me body. Now me body. You will arrest me and take me to court. Papa, so we a bear man also wash you. Now what boss? Bomidi Agraada, I will arrest you and take you to court and prosecute you and put you into your level. Who dares you? How dares you? Asama bawo chirawa jeng will be a chena jeng. You get the capacity to leave your wife over there and come and disrespect me. So once so we a bema bomidi. The law is not for anybody. The law is there for everybody. So if you are a man and you are not a coward, as you were sitting there refusing to mention my name, Mr. Hopeless, aka Wheelchair, I will put you into your position. You have been tried several times to disrespect me. By this time around, if you are a man with balls, if you are a man, as you are sitting on the radio trying to bring my credibility down, mention my name, Midin at the Agraada, I will arrest you. You have thrown the challenge, and I am here to throw the same challenge to you. So you bema ashwa a boto, and you have go to radio station. Sawuko kamasem, and you are putting warning. Some of your ba mimo widin, na mimo udin. I was expecting you, if you are not a coward, you will mention my name. Mention my name for me to know you are talking about me, Agraada. I will put you into your position. I will put you into your level. You are nobody in front of me. Let me tell you, respect yourself. You can't bring your nonsense in front of me. I have not come to your level. You have been disrespecting me over years, over time, insulting me, radio station to another radio station. But this time around, if my matter has come and you are trying, say you share your opinion, don't come and threaten me. Bekami entia, wo bomi yiridin, na wo bomi dia, mechinetum, Papa. I am putting it to you. If you are a man, Bomidin, I will arrest you. I will prosecute you. I will put you into your position.
Or your banner to me, yes, idea. Or no hopes no bet chinetum. Eddie, as I not could mama part, as I told you my earlier story. A lot of people are speaking, millions of Ghanaians are speaking. But Hopeson nkwan de Agraada him, and Agraada has to reply Hopeson. After mama part so about through challenge. Or since a Hopeson Adorye, I'm born it was hopeless. On the friend hopeless, or say aka metal wheelchair. Now metal wheelchair no so as such as say. Like, why would you give that name to somebody? Metal wheelchair. Yeah, same big crane. A Ghana penny. I was say metal wheelchair. Say oh yeah. Bema. Onu sombo onu Agraada din. I said this one is like a fight, eh? You feel a blow, the other person also feels a blow. Say, if you're a man, touch me first. If you're a man, touch me first. Those kind of blows are never exchanged. Because we need somebody who will be confident enough to throw the first blow. So Honorable Hopeson, me I still call him honorable by the way, because that is who he used to be. And Reverend Otamama Pat, so throw your first blow, throw my first blow, Debbie. Munja is na want to blows na yehune. Let's see who has the power. Let's see who has the connection to calling Ghana police, and Ghana police will respond to them. Will go in for the other person, arrest them, arrange them before court, charge them with defamation, charge them with reckless or whatever they are there, slap them with some 5 million Ghana cedis is fine. That's what you want to see. Yeah, the political beef there, anything political beef, you should trust the Ghana TVGH will bring it to you. So we are still monitoring this story. It is still a developing story between Hopeson Adorye and then Agraada. Whenever somebody throws the blow first, trust me, the voice, I'll be here to tell you. But if you don't hear from me again about this Hopeson Adorye Agraada issue, it means no one has thrown it the blow. I say almost today they be bramoy na obi an throw blow be who me afere wo krum ha. Be who me afere wo krum ha pa was a per beef. Please always remember to subscribe, okay? Bye bye, cheers. See you in the next one.